So another special ingredient to the success and the good part was really finding an implementation partner. As we all know, edX is a very complete, comprehensive platform, complex in many ways, and we didn't want to make the honest mistakes of somebody who is just starting, given that we had some time constraints and quality constraints. So we went about and spoke to a number of the implementation partners. And what we found out, there's different engagement models. One is really to outsource the project and have somebody take over the project and deliver this finished product. The other one was a staff augmentation, where we really wanted to have a sense of ownership, a way to transition this knowledge, and over time really be able to drive it. And so we decided that we wanted to go a staff augmentation route. So after speaking with all the implementation partners, we decided to work with IBL for a number of reasons. The first one is around their responsiveness. They're very easy to contact. We were working directly with the folks that would be working with us, Miguel and others. There was a sense of authenticity, a sense of responsiveness that was very important. The second part was the experience. IBL has been working with edX for a long time across educational institutions, enterprises. We want to leverage that experience from a platform standpoint, but we also wanted to leverage their experience in course authoring for on-demand and leveraging the different modalities we have to offer it online. They were very flexible in their engagement model. As an enterprise, we had specific needs, and they were able to work with us to accommodate those needs in terms of helping us peel the layers of the onions, and them doing something, then doing the knowledge transfer, and us doing it the next time around. The other part was the organization. We wanted to find an organization that wasn't too small, but certainly wasn't too big, and really fit how we worked. And IBL met all those criteria and delivered on those expectations. So Miguel, you've worked with a lot of different kinds of organizations. How is it different working within an enterprise like Global Knowledge?
Thank you. So the first step is sort of the architectural assessment, right? We realized that edX for an enterprise, especially for a program that is targeting a ton of learners, is a piece of the puzzle. Right, so we have to start off with an architectural assessment to determine what is the data that's going to come in and what's the data that's going to come out. Then the second main step is the knowledge transfer. Right, so with Global Knowledge Initiative or others like NVIDIA's Deep Learning Institute or the Air Force and others, they can't invest in something that is going to be significant and powerful unless they have the certainty and the peace of mind that their own engineers, needless to say, of course, instructional designers, will be able to control the platform moving forward, right? And control is not about being able to access your code on GitHub somewhere or SSHing into a server, right? Control is about the knowledge. So do you know how to maintain it, right? All the functions around DevOps. Do you know how to write APIs to bridge the gap with the rest of the stuff you're looking for? And the delivery mechanism for that was a series of seminars at the beginning, right? So this is a seminar around the architecture of the platform, another about the way you write external Django apps, APIs, DevOps, testing, and then continuous support through a dedicated forum, right? And that's direct access to our engineers and say, okay, how do we do this? And the purpose is to save time, right? Then there's, of course, production support, which even after all is said and done, and you have the knowledge, well, we augment your staff so we can be there, God forbid, if anything ever happens, right? And this entails all the work about, analytics and everything else, but